Hey guys, Happy New Year! 2020 is finally over and it's time for me to wrap up this first 7 months on YouTube. So, coming up. First, thank you. Thank you for your support. We just passed 265 subscribers for more than 6,000 views. So that's really huge for me, for my YouTube channel, and I'm glad you're on board. The first 14 video was mainly tutorial for everyone that would want to start growing Nepenthes on their windowsill. From soil to water to light, I tried to cover almost everything. But again, if you have any question, any topic you want me to do a review, tutorial maybe, let me know in the comments and I will be more than happy to make this kind of requested video. Speaking of which, one requested video I had was how to grow sphagnum moss, live sphagnum moss, on a windowsill. I plan to do this video in spring when it's gonna be warmer here on the Canadian windowsill and more humid because again it's really cold here, we eat a lot, it gets dry really quickly, so that's not the best time for me to do this kind of tutorial. But I will wait for spring and yes, I will be happy to show it to you. In 2020 I was also able to show you how other growers was growing their Nepenthes on their windowsill. We had two first interviews. The first one was Nathan from South California, and the second one was Rue from New Jersey. And next week you will have Gianne from San Francisco, so stay tuned. I received a lot of encouraging messages from anonymous growers that don't really want to do an interview yet, but I really want to focus this year on getting more interview of other growers. I will aim for 5, maybe 8 if I can, if you agree to show us your Nepenthes on your windowsill. So it's really up to you guys, but I will try my best to set this kind of interview because that's the best way for us to learn. I will also do a kind of an auto interview of myself. I will show you how I grow my Nepenthes on my Canadian windowsill. We are in Manitoba here, so that's really one of the coldest provinces, like with a lot of people, I mean. So if this city is named Winnipeg versus Winnipeg, that's for a reason. It's really cold outside, so again, that's a special setup, taking care of the cold, the dryness because of the heat, everything. So I will do an auto review of how I do that. But for that, I will wait for spring. So again, everyone, thank you very much. Be 2021 a good year for you, your family and your plant. Stay safe and until next time, happy growing.